How to create new folder on idenati new version. The old version allowed you to make folder by clicking your profile. But there is no option on the newest version. So this is how to do it with 1 sec. Drag your tile into another tile. Then new folder will already created. So if you want to create a new folder, make at least 2 new tile first like this. Then drag them again into one of them. So here it is. Type the titles you want.
Please sub, like, and comment if you like. Thank you.